Hello, this is Paul. Today we're going to be changing the CPU on the Lenovo G510s Touch, starting with 3 Phillips screws, push, and the cover comes off, exposing the CPU. Next step is going to be using the same screwdriver to undo 3 screws. Now each screw has a tiny spring, so make sure you don't lose those springs. After I'm done, the next step is to undo the CPU fan. One of the screws is going to be covered by a sticker, so all you have to do is peel that sticker in order to get access at that. With the CPU fan loose, you can kind of move it aside and pull the CPU heatsink out. With the CPU exposed, taking a Torx T8, loosen the CPU. With the new CPU, match the golden triangle to the side that is missing one pin. If you look at the other 3 sides, you notice that they are complete while one side is missing that pin. With that, put the CPU in and it should go in effortlessly. You're gonna have to clean up the old thermal paste on the heatsink. My go-to chemical is ArcticClean. Now with the same T8, tighten the CPU in place. My go-to paste is ArcticSilver, and that is exactly what we're going to be using on this bad boy. With the thermal paste on the CPU, take a small rag and smear it around so that the thermal paste covers the entire die. At this point, it's really self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go into detail on how to put it back together. If you've gotten this far, I'm really confident that you're going to be able to take it all the way. I'm going to leave a list of the tools and products that I use in this video in the description below, as well as a list of compatible CPUs to really awaken this computer up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching this video and have a great day.